Welcome back. We are doing a series this week on moving towards getting rid of your anxiety and social anxiety very quickly. I'm going to talk about two different remedies, both for energy protection. Both do two different things. Which works for you? Maybe you need both. So let's get right into it. The first remedy I'm going to talk to you about is an FES remedy, and that's F as in Frank, E as in elephant, S as in Sam. You could look it up online. And there's a couple of different remedies that they have for energy protection, but I want to talk about yarrow. It's like an overall energy protection, especially with people that are extremely vulnerable to other people's energy. How your environment is your energy easily depleted? Any kind of negative influences around the house. This is a beautiful remedy that's going to help it. And again, it's the 7 drops and you put it in your water, or you could add this to your blend of what you're making with what we spoke about a few days ago. You have emergency, and then you have crowea for worry. You could add yarrow for that protection from people in the home or people around you. This is also a beautiful remedy. There are other remedies that you can use, but just to change it up a little bit, this is FES yarrow, Y-A-R-R-O-W, and this is also great for energy protection. The second remedy I want to talk to you about is an Australian bush flower essence, and this one addresses the chaos and the energy of people around you. So if there is something going on, if the energy is crazy around you, you're in school, you're in an airport, there's way too much energy for you, and there's a lot of craziness going on, if you add Dog Rose of the Wild Forces, it's a long name from Australian bush, Dog Rose of the Wild Forces, you could add this to the blend that you're making. You could mix all of these together in water or in whatever you're drinking. This will help you. It's, these two remedies, it's like putting a shield around you so nothing can infiltrate. So if there's somebody in your home that has really bad energy or really strong energy and you need protection from that, yarrow is beautiful. If you are outdoors and there's a lot going on and you are at the airport or at a school, and that's when Dog Rose of the Wild Forces will really kick in for you. Start taking these, take them twice a day, add them to whatever you're drinking, and you are going to notice a beautiful change. Please share this on your Facebook page, share this with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and tomorrow you'll be getting, as soon as the video comes out, what I'm talking about next. I'm going to talk about remedy for social anxiety. Take care, my friends. Amy D. Cohen, Strongest Minds.